this.
You know, I get 4 weeks off a year, all right? Now, you get 2 of them and I get 2 of them. I take my 2 in Aspen.
I'm a warm weather person. The Bahamas, that's a vacation.
Hi there. My name's TJ. I'll be your ski instructor.
Look, what the hell? Marriage is a compromise. We'll work it out.
Santa.
But you didn't want to ski with Hans or Mark either. Daddy and I want to ski, Kimberly. Santa will be fun.
I hate Santa.
I'm sorry.
I wasn't nuts about him either. I always got socks.
Well, good luck.
How you guys doing? Okay, so we got Donner and Dancer and Prancer and Dumbo.
Elephant.
That's okay. Elephants can ski.
I want to be Blitzen.
Okay, you can be Blitzen. You're Blitzen, and you're Dumbo. All right. Here's what we got. We got Donner, Dancer, Prancer, Rudolph, Gumby, Dumbo, Blitzen, Sneezy, Burpy, Chewy, and Cheesy over there at the end, okay? You guys want to go skiing? Can we go skiing? Let's go skiing. Follow me! Ho, ho, ho!